So I'm supposed to be on holiday. Lakini there's just one more thing I want to say before I retire to my holiday. And it is this. Guys, the mistake I keep making is that I keep reading comments. Na niliadvise nisikuange nasoma comments. But I read them because I want feedback. I want to know how people think. Look here. Kuna wale watu wanasema kwamba Morara, you should look for political advisors. You should look for political advisors who have been in politics, Kenyan politics for a long time, who are experienced to teach you how Kenyan politics is done. I have an answer for you. My answer is no. I know how Kenyan politics is and I don't want it that way. And I don't want to be like Kenyan politicians. That is why I don't want that kind of experience. What I need on my team are people who know how Kenyan politics is. They have experienced it, but they are ready to be dreamers. They are ready to dream of change, and they are ready to make practical steps towards change. So mambo ya kuniambia Morara, tafuta, it's another saying, tafuta public relations manager. Look for a public relations manager to be drafting your tweets, to be drafting your social media posts before they go out. I have an answer. No, I'm not going to look for a public relations manager. Let Kenyans know me for who I am. Let those who love me for who I am for real. And those who hate me, let them hate me for who I am for real. Mambo ya kukuwa na PR strategist, that's faking. I'm going to be a fake. Because you'll find all my tweets, all my social media posts have been curated, they have been carefully measured, so that they go out zikiwa very measured, so as to paint a certain false picture. Let people know who I am for real. This is the mistake we've been making in Kenyan leadership. People keep taking PR strategies, marketing strategies, they paint for us a false picture of who they are and we let them. Let's know people kama mtu, if somebody is intelligent, let's know that this person akili yake kopoa. If somebody is hayuko sawa huku juu, let's know that this person is not okay. If somebody is arrogant, let's know that this person is arrogant based on how they speak. If somebody is humble, let's know them for their humility. If somebody is not known for their wisdom, let's know that this person is never wise. All right? I've also read some comments of people saying, oh, Morara, you are too entitled. Kwani uli expect sisi followers wako tutokea to kusupport. Oh, yes. I expected you to come out. Because you've lied to me that we are together. We are supposed to be together. I'm supposed to fight for you so that you fight for me. We're supposed to be comrades in the struggle. Do we want change, both of us? Yes. Am I doing something towards that change? Yes. I may not do everything you want every day because I have a mind of my own. I may not do things the way you want them every day because I have a way how I have also dreamt about Kenya. Everybody has their own dream. But if we do every little thing that somebody can do, kama wewe unaweza, kama kuna kitu unaona Morara hajafanya na unaona unaweza ifanya, do it. The goal is one. The goal is one. We are both headed in the same direction. We are just not doing things the same way. I'm doing them this way. You're supposed to do them the other way so that tupatane mbele. Remember, I can't do everything. So don't say, oh, kijana, usikizi, tunakuadvise, usikizi. I have advice and I listen to your comments. The wise advice, I take it. The one that I can't take, I'm unable to take it. But I can't take every advice. In every first social media post I make, there's more than 100 advices. I can't take all of them. I have to pick one and run with it. I'm already struggling to fight for a better Kenya, not for anything, but even for myself. I'm doing it because I believe in it. And even if I remain alone in the struggle, if I still believe in it, I'll keep doing it. So let every Kenyan start making baby steps. Unajua musikue kama, I don't want to mention names, but tusikwange kila time tuna run hashtag Occupy, Occupy. We're going to occupy, we're going to march. Then you never show up, you never show up. Kazi nikwambia wengine occupy, then you never show up. Then you make fun of us, and you make a mockery of us who usually show up. Hapana wana, tuache kudanganyana, Mimi, if you are not genuinely in this struggle, na kama wendi kutokea, and if we are not going to struggle together, si lazima tukue na akili moja, si lazima tufanye kitu moja. But if you are not genuinely in this, then you are part of the problem. Na ukini unfollow mimi sina shida. I'm not this for followers. Mimi nikiwa na 1000 followers, I just fight for what I believe in, not for followers. So wewe kama unasikia kwamba mambo haiko sawa, unfollow. Do your thing. Lakini mimi ile kitu nasema, kama umenifollow na una believe huyu kijana kitu iko kwa roho yake ndio iko kwa roho yako. This boy is fighting for change and I want to join him, or I want him to join me, or I want us to work together. Mimi nitaunda muziki, huyo ataunda website, huyo atafanya Vampire Diaries, huyo ata-inject kwa media, huyo ata-analyze financial reports kwa sababu yeye ni mtu wa finance. If you are going to do every little thing, kila mtu play role yake, tulete change Kenya, hiyo ni poa. Hiyo niko ready. Lakini historia tunaambiana online, occupy, we are going to do, we are going to send this government home, then time ikifika hamtokei. Ni kutudanganya the rest of us, hiyo hapana. Hiyo unfollow tu. Don't follow me for entertainment. I don't want followers who are following me for entertainment. I need people who actually believe in change and they want it. And I'm going to make mistakes, by the way. I'm not perfect, kwani I'm not an angel. I'll make very serious mistakes. Kitu nataka ni mnicorrect. Na mnikuwe ready kunisamea. Na pia mimi nikuwe ready kuwasamea mkimake mistakes. Because we are in this together. Lazima tusameane, tukifanya makosa tusonge mbele. That is the last thing I'm going to say. I was supposed to be on a break. Nimetoka tu kwa break kidogo nikuje kusema hiyo kitu moja kwamba we actually believe in change, we are fighting for it. Lakini tusidanganyane. If you are not in this, it's okay. It's not a must, nobody's forcing you, just stay away. Sawa sawa. And it's not entitlement when we request for support. Kwani what can I do as Morara? Kwani mimi Morara peke yangu naweza leta change kweli nisiposupportiwa? Guys, tukue serious. Can Morara alone bring change to Kenya? Me kama mtu kanatoshana hivi, me alone can I bring change to Kenya without support, without your support? And I have to ask for it. I'm begging for your support. Nasema bana wewe nishikilieni. Wacha kuniachilia. Wacha kunidanganya online kwamba mko na mimi, ikifika kwa ground kila mtu amelost.